Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you need to create a form and would like to add a QR code reader? Well, that's possible. Let me show you an example. So here we have the equipment check-in and check-out form. So we already filled the name, the date. We already toggled that it needs to be returned, the condition, it needs repair, and the notes. And all you need to do, usually users would use mobile phones, but they can also use other computers to scan a QR code. So all you need to do is turn on the camera and then flash the QR code. There you go. It already captured the equipment ID. So instead of manually entering the alphanumeric QR ID, the QR code already captured it efficiently for this form. And all we need to do now is click submit. And as a form user, you can also check where your submissions are going to. So just make sure that we go to the form and then click on the submissions tab, and it will automatically open the link of your Notion database. And there you'll see the submission that we have. So we already have 2 submissions for this form. NoteForms is a form builder that primarily integrates with Notion. Notion actually has its own form builder. It's easy to use, straightforward, and offers basic form features, but it doesn't have advanced form features such as the QR code reader. And this is where NoteForms stands out. This is very helpful, especially in cases where you'd like to have your clients, employees, or form users entering URLs or alphanumeric codes without doing it manually and being captured by the QR code reader efficiently. So now let me walk you through on how to add a QR input field to your form. So here, let's just first make sure that we're logged into our NoteForms account. And on the upper right of the page, click on Create New Form. And on the next page, let's select Start from Scratch. So let's just say we don't have a Notion database yet. And then let's utilize the AI form builder. So here we will enter a prompt and then click on Generate Form. So while it's generating the form that we're creating is the equipment check-in and check-out, users should be able to scan a QR code to automatically input the equipment ID. It includes fields for employee name, date, condition, and a toggle for returned or borrowed status. So it's 18 seconds now. It's polishing the design. It's running final checks. It's almost ready. At 25 seconds, starting the AI magic. Analyzing requirements by 30 seconds. Designing layout. Adding form fields. And just about 30 seconds, you already have your form. So you see it already generated the QR code input field for us automatically. But you can manually add that just for you to know. Just click on Add Block on the left side and select QR code reader on the right side. And that's how you add it. And on the QR code input field, you can click on Settings to be here or here. And then we can enable decoders. So by default, it's enabled for EAN13 and EAN8, but we can also enable UPC-A, UPC-E, code 128, and code 39. Once done modifying the the input field and the form, all we need to do is click Publish on the upper right of the page. And then next, since we don't have a Notion database yet, it will create a database for us. But then we need to select the Notion page where the database will be placed. So here, let's just select my own Notion database and then click Save Form. And as easy as that, we already have our form created with the database and the QR input field. Hopefully this video helps, but if you still have questions, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is RG, and thank you so much for supporting NoteForms.